I pray thee. I lift my eyes unto thee from whence cometh my help coming from Jah Rastafari, who created heaven and earth. Be holy that keepeth Israel shall neither sleep nor slumber. Jah, you see the judgment that come. Jah, protect Tyson. Come and paralyze the wicked. Clear the way over Jah. Free up the ghetto youth then. Free up the ghetto youth. Free up the ghetto youth.
Oh, I can't. Stop being nice in that place, man. You just make be a nice in that community, so.
You see your body Indian? Fire will burn you. That's why we now pray for you. Lightning.
That's why we now hear prayer.
Uncle, my prayer can't save you now. Eden, parasite, scum of the earth.
I don't know why Tyson always a beg for you, Rasta. But a split man to split up your bumbo clot head, you know.
What? Try that. Try that. No, I beg you, try that.
You feel me? A play bad man. Rasta boy.
You think that can save you? If me chant a psalm, no bullet can come out of that.
No, so I not even need your dopey. I'll leave you alone.
A sassy word. Fool gunman.
Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think for rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just arrive on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I said make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, a drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the harder the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne a bust like a coaster.
Me moving on, me find a better man.
How are you, Adi? You can't find a better man than Tyson. Go and home to your man.
Go home to who? Tyson is not my man anymore, sir.
Tyson is always a man. I got a vision for you now. I see you in a pretty white dress.
I kind, you're not having any visions, you're having nightmares. You need to stop eating so late at night.
Them two eyeballer, don't miss.
Listen, have a good night. I'm not up for this right now.
Hormones cost all of that, you know.
Monique, I know we're not getting along for quite some time now, but I have something to tell you.
What? You have something to tell me? This doesn't look good. What is going on?
Then kidnap Pinky, you know.
What? They did what? Who could do such a thing?
The same guy you that you're gonna mix up with. Spengshell.
Me? I don't even know that person. It's the first time I'm hearing that name.
Radical our dear man, Lego the negativity.
All I want to know, does Tyson even know anything about this?
Yes! You're good for nothing, baby father, no. And him not do nothing about it.
Come see. I want to radical, everything you escalate.
I don't know why she's shouting.
All me want to tell you, no say. Anything happen to my daughter, everybody gonna feel a judgment.
Auntie, I'm convinced that you're a mad woman.
Monique, mad like your mama.
You see? All along I should have bust your ass, but it seems like right now is the right time.
Hey! Radical better go on home, you know. If you got say Monique pregnant with my grandchild. You to Monique, or you want to fight with the baby in her belly? Radical, go on home, man. Monique, be responsible, man. Be more responsible, man. Please.
I can't take your wife, uncle. I don't know why I couldn't choose my family.
Monique,
That's the way you're walking me down. Why you stalking me?
Monique, I'm not stalking you. You see me? I'm a baby mother. Come to get a drink, so I'm seeing them. You see me? How is money having there?
Excuse me?
Hold yourself, guys. Hold yourself. I don't type of person, you know. I never used to go on them type of way, you know. How the baby?
Do not touch my child.
I can't touch you again.
You forgot what you did. I don't forget.
How many money?
You're too violent. I don't know when you become this person.
Monique, I ran for the badness here.
Just leave me alone.
Say fat ass a bunks. Eh? Wait, yeah, Monique. Ramp with bad man.
The artist a body. What a way that girl a body draw round on the wall.
Hey, Dread, what you salt Luman for?
You like to cock black. You don't see that painting on the wall.
You know something serious wrong with the Rasta? You need to get a mental checkup.
You ever see a mad Rasta? Rasta not get mad.
My name is Radical. And I beat dirty old man like you.
Yo, you can't even beat yourself. Go on down to your husband and leave Rasta pick me alone.
But the next day, I'm going to shot your back. How are yourself?
Na 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 na. Yeah. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those names,
Spengshell!
'cause I'm the one.
Spengshell! Spence!
Who that?
Spence!
Who is that?
It's Kali!
Kali?
Oh my god! Ah! I'm so happy to see you!
Where are you?
I'm here. How you been?
Yeah, man, you're gonna see you.
Yeah, it's
Hey,
been
make sure you see you never
a
sack
while.
man pussy, you know.
I wouldn't do anything like that.
I'm gonna see you, baby. Hey, we're going to the room, but
Okay.
I'm going to write it on the front page. You're like in memories, them attack you, man.
Well, babe, you know I've been living overseas, so my thing upgraded now.
Hey, don't forget where you're forward from, you know. And by look about those, you're living around, so, you know.
Well, babe, I've learned to let go of the past, and I'm now embracing the future. So nobody tell me about a boat house.
I talk about embrace for me, man. Me say no, babes.
I miss you too. What is this drama I've been hearing about you going to jail though?
A simple thing that, man. That put them on your brain, man.
It could be a simple thing. It's the reason why I'm here. I want to know what's really happening.
Kali, over 10 years now, you know me, you know. Now you know, so I'm not too like the talking thing, though.
But anyways, I'll find out what I need to find out. Right now, it's our time.
Spengshell? Hello?
Wait, who that?
Hey, please help me, please. Please,
Oh my God.
Please help me. Please.
Oh my god! Who did this to you?
Spengshell.
Oh gosh!
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What's Spengshell really a go on with? What kind of dolly house this? What is this?
Boy, Steppa. If me lose my daughter, I don't know how me I go work it out, you know. It's not gonna work out.
Hold on, them phone a vibrate. Hello,
Hello?
Pinky.
Dad,
Pinky.
do you know where Spengshell lives? Can you please come and get me ASAP?
Alright, I can't get you. No.
What happened to you?
Where can I get a cab?
Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Pinky!
Yeah, man. Pinky. She get where you know? Me I pick her up right now.
Thank you, Jesus. Oh, thank you.
Spengshell, what is going on? What's really going on? I just saw you as a girl tied up around there. Let me know what's happening.
Yo, what you do around this up? And I'm bed you just there a while ago.
You have changed one bit, Spengshell. I see that you're still following up the criminal life.
Yo, Kali, you feel like a church man grew up in a badness can't bumbo clock stop.
So all the money that I've been sending you, what have you been doing with it? Buying guns? Bullets? Let me know.
Tell you something. You think your look of money can buy a gun? You think your look of money then can buy a shot? I bang me bang a line.
Spengshell, you know I'll always love and be there for you. But I think you need to stop. Because I don't want to be at your funeral.
Kali, I that you really a call on for me? And that you really come to Jamaica for do?
No, babe, don't say that. But the path that you're choosing, that's where you're gonna end up.
By the way, you're not like a girl. You're not going to trouble her though.
Of course I let her go. She looks like a little child.
I want the buck. You know see a man? She at 19. You think I pick the fucker?
Well, as I just said, I had to let her go.
You know what you just do? You know you just start? You know you just start? You say you come here to protect me. But the amount of trouble you put me in right now.
Yo, my daughter, you alright?
I'm
That
sure.
boy I forgot pay with his life.
That Spengshell hurt me. He tied me up. I'm not okay.
What? Ah! Spengshell, whole family I go feel it. How go in I car?
So anyways, I'm sorry to have messed up your thing, but I'm gonna need you to come and check me at the Airbnb.
Sir, you know you're baby early. I come check in.
Alright.
You know so I can't do that on the front door. Hey, Kali. Mine's forever here.
That boy about him kidnap my daughter. You know say enough head me lick off. To them I send Spengshell go meet him maker.
Broadway. I got a picture about you last night, you know. I weigh 2,000 broad, but your I weigh 2,025.
Big money mouth, sweetie. What's the name?
I kind is the name. The girl them Sugar Plum.
Anyways, my name is Kali. Bye.
Would angle that, strangle that, and bungle that. Huh?
Them a free me. Fast the whole a better you not see me. Oh gosh, and them a free me. Fast the whole a better you not see me. Aye.
Dog, I thought we got change a while ago, take so much time, you know. A long time we just saying dog. Dog, and I also have a feel. Steppa, what you do so?
Same thing on not do ya son. But the boy in there, man.
You not there? So you're Pinky then?
In Lego Pinky man, but me still come for fixing business.
So the man leg up in here come here?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah.
All in your face?
Yes, man.
Hold it up for yourself, yeah?
Alright, sir.
Yo, the boy Spengshell are the luckiest man me know, dog. Me don't know which Obia man the boy I work with.
Boss, say me here, so now look for me.
So, I'm not Spengshell. I'm boy, I'm off there today, dog. Boy, guess where that?
Drop me as a man. I'm Mr. Me1.
You want to come for all the black come for your shot?
Where's up all the rusty things for the boy?
Well, I've spent it after this.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me I work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, man have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like mayonnaise. Rips couldn't tell me say, man have guts. Get my heart broke and start move cautious. I'm on the buy people, now me can't trust. So me put a 30 belly in my Taurus. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes like a grass cut.
I want my father.
Where I see my son?
Blessings, man.
We need to talk to you, you know.
Yeah.
We really need to talk.
Me need to talk to you.
Well,
I really have enough of that fuckery I have, man. You see me? Yeah, bro, I need a better life, bro. I need to do something. I lose the girl I'm a dream, you know. I lose my baby mother. You see, I need a way out. Pull up my body. Fool.
son, I've been down that road before, you know. And every decision I make is to benefit you. That's why I tell you, don't kill the police boy them with there. Because I know the consequence. I mean, I want you come under them pressure there.
You hear me I say to my father? Big man thing, see? I understand where you come from, you know. See me? But I go a particular way, you know. You see me? But somebody with my thing. I not take no violation from no boy or nobody. You see me? Right now, I just want this go away, bro. I need it for go away. I can't take no more of this. I can't do this no more. See? I need about my family, I need about my girl. See?
Son, calm down, man. You need to find a way out of this. No more gun thing. You can't get a visa, you know.
Me? How I forget visa? Remember me a bad man and my record dirty right now, you know.
You can't seek asylum, you know, and pretend say you're not straight.
Father, you're mad. You lose your senses.
Lose senses.
I'm mad, you. Brother, my brother see a Jamaican dead. I want to a real bad man to do them things there.
Well, we have to do what we have to do for surviving in this world, you know.
You see, for some me I go survive, me not go survive. But you hear me I say no. You have a plan still, you know. You see, inheritance money I'm telling you me they get at $280 million. So watch this now, my father. Me have a plan, man. I go buy a house. You see me? I left that Ghetto place. See? I go back to my woman because I need my woman. You see me? In everything she did right. You see me? Get back and bloody right. But I have some things that I'm going to take care of first. See? Big up yourself.
Don't smile up yourself.
Yeah. It never too late for the rain come down. Never too late for the rain come down. Rain the fall by one man don't stop, you know.
Clean way record.
Claim your blessing now. Sometimes life stress me out.
How would it? What kind of sign this? Father God, you really love me, you know? John, you star. I yes, a protection.
What is man? Okay, I like this a strike. Come on, kill boy, man.
All termite.
Old boy, I will kill your clots, you know me?
I know in jail, look. Me not have to know you. Come and know you're a fool.
You want to test me?
I rock you for us, you follow Creed today, no?
Swing now. Make me swing out to you naughty.
I'm on to experience for this, you know. Move your bongo cat and go on, you know.
You know me really have to go teach the Rasta a lesson.
One producer, what go on?
Oh, go on, DJ.
One focus, man. Yo, focus. I tell you, say, come out of me and brother a while ago. And I'm gonna lay with me, kill my brother, and I like to strike him. Never snort like I'm alive, brother.
Tyson, I tell you, it's either music or you lose it, bro.
I really star, brother. I know some love that music thing, but I tell you, bro, it's true. I don't know about this thing, I don't want to go night, you know. Because I don't want nobody lick me down, bro. When I see me put on gun, brother, then time people come kill you, you know. But God does show me a sign, brother. Yo, God really know you.
I'm a messenger, man. It's really.
Fuck, big up yourself, you know. See me? I have to do the right thing, bro. I have to link your story and that. Line up to with him to me. You know, I'm full of stuff.
Man, lyrical.
I'm going to tell you a new thing. Listen, you ever feel depleted? Everything you try, you feel defeated? Yeah. My life not easy. But still I look the food like a dog we're greedy. Trouble pull up on your foot and the ankle socks. Feel like handicap if you can't angle cash. Work every day, Sunday to Sunday, back to back. And a frost your frost, focus. One day better must come pepper bun son. Pressure bus pipe and make blood run. Tire fish scrape a tire that bun frost like dog and me no love rum. Race soldier no shake me no mix like rum punch. My time I come mount a years mount a months done. London Bridge fall, I'm still not broke down. Now for carrying on me heart for your pay gun. Focus gone man, gone for the paper. Pick up yourself here.
Body in the DJ.
We are connect man, you hear that?
Do the right thing. Yo, step up, man.
Yo, who you, brother? Oh, you look like Craven here, so.
I'm Craven a twin, man. I'm Mataran.
Craven here, brother. Craven here have twin, brother.
That is it. I came here, my brother is missing, and I want to know what's up.
Boy, I don't know what happened to Craven here now. A weeks now we don't see him. We don't see him come our. Me, myself, want to know what happened to him.
I look like a simple Rasta guy, but that's my brother. I'm going to get to the bottom of this.
I don't know which bottom you'll get to, you know, but no guy can get to this bottom. So you and your friend go and get to the bottom of what you want to get to.
Steppa, man, I don't know what you're implying.
It seems like you're accusing me for something, you know, brother. Mataran.
You're ugly like your brother Craven here. Okay, I come here to check you guys for information, and it's all I get is insults. Una underestimate a Rasta. Steppa, if I ever find out you're going to do my brother missing.
Dread, you might end up missing like your brother too.
I never hit a lady, but today I feel like I'll smack you and your wife, Steppa.
Smack me and my wife. It look like you want to pick up some gunshot now you're naughty.
Steppa, I'm going to left the crosses, Rasta, yeah, man. Something suspicious is going on here. I'm going to find out what's happened to my brother. Steppa, you saw a little to my daughter?
Radical. Anything that happened to my daughter, this world come to a end.
So long me I warn you, all of this could have been avoided.
Radical. I no time for the blame game.
We make a good team though. Any opposition come, we crush them.
Crush them like potato. Crush them like banana chips.
After all, our marriage is worth fighting for. We still have a good and a bad days.
Yes, man. I love the good days them. Look like a time for make two more pinky.
In my young days, that now go work, Steppa.
After you can't too young for this.
They never know say I kind, a big artist. You think say Babylon can stop me from boss? Them a pre me, fast you all and better you not see me. Oh God, them a pre me, fast you all and better you not see me. Whoa gosh, yeah.
Steppa, you need to put a stop to all the shooting we are going in our community now. It don't look good.
Boy, I may try my best, you know, but it look like my best is not good enough.
Well, election time now. And you know, this don't look good for me. And me need to win my seat, and you're my husband.
Boy, Tyson come like a raging bull. Him hard for control. But me gonna have a meeting with him, you know, and a meeting with Spengshell.
Well, you need to quiet them. Because if me quiet them, I'm going to silent forever.
Radical, the amount of time I talk to you about my son, you know. Leave Tyson alone.
Steppa, me give you and your son enough chance. How many more chance I give?
You know how true you think me simple. If me just stay like them Ghetto boy, me punch up your face.
Honey, look like you put on your underpants too tight this morning. It has squeezed your nuts. It look like you're not getting enough oxygen to your brain. Punch up, oh!
I better just.
Hello, Daddy, losing it?
Cool daughter, man.
I can't believe my parents acting like two kindergarten kids.
You see all you? Are you the cause of all of this?
Me? Oh, me get into all of this?
If you're never gone at the boy yard, all that's gonna happen.
My dear, the way I'm come out here so I defend you. Should I make Daddy punch you up for true?
Come out a big people argument.
Don't talk to my daughter.
Don't talk to my father.
And what kind of confusion I go on here, so? You are defend she are defend you, who are defend me?
Make Tyson come defend you.
Honestly, this come like a me at the adult right there, so.
Pinky, I went since you start talk patois. You know what? You now come back out of the yard here. As long as you live.
Well, I would love to see you stop me. I am 19 years old.
Pinky, don't talk to your mother like that.
So, Dad, you don't hear how she's talking to me? I am not a child anymore.
Well, you need to pack your bag and leave.
No, she's not going nowhere.
And that is why I love my dad so much.
You see you? Are you spoil her, you know?
I one girl pick me up. She have to spoil.
Problem child.
Old man, what you doing in my yard?
You own house? You named upon land title?
This is my mother and father's yard. If they own it, then I am the owner as well.
I have a vision about you, you know. It's you causing all the problem and Alabaloo.
Where is it? I was looking for a dam to give you on your visions.
You need to come out to your mother and father place and go find a decent man.
Come out of the yard. How you doing?
Do I look like dog shit? Will I go in with shovel?
Yes! You look like dog shit. Me say you for come out of my yard.
I'm just trespassing on your property, ma'am. That's why you can't run off your frowns him out.
Come out of my yard. Out of my yard, man. Out of my yard.
I go on now. Yes, you have a chat with me.
Yeah, me need to get a talk now, Spengshell.
Talk, you're talking.
Spengshell, this thing with you and Tyson need for done, you know. Me talk to Tyson and he say ready for any time.
So after I come to my yard and say you're ready to kill me, you think I can trust you, no?
Me money enough. Me not deal with Truss, but me try get things right.
Well, I'm ready for your choice, you know. You see anyone rise up against me again, and now I know I go fall.
No bother with the threat thing, you know. Cause you kidnapped my daughter and I just the goodness of God when me forgive you.
Steppa, me a bad boy. I don't need your forgiveness, nor Tyson's forgiveness.
Only a young soldier always feel like you're bigger than the heads, you know. But if me want to get rid of you, me get rid of you a long time.
I want to say you're bigger heads. I always underestimate, man.
Spengshell, behave yourself. Cause we can't get the whole of JCF and the whole of JDF to take you out if I want.
Yeah, man. I saw alone no could have try fight me out, you know. Babylon system, man.
Yeah, deal, my brother.
Yeah, bro.
Clank from link money.
Shut up, man.
What go and do?
Yeah, man. You say one dog good, Mr. Dog.
Eh, police boy. Oh, I work, man. Let me not ever find him, yeah? Believe.
And about if you get it, you know.
Long time, man. We deal with the program, man. You see me? But watch another dog. Don't do the badness, you know. See See me?
That thing say fam.
Yeah man, everything good with Spengshell too man. I left with that already, you know.
Alright.
You see?
May I say that on that man?
You're gonna end up all of the gun there. I can keep your gun, you know. You see me? See all Pepper's gun, I'm gonna need it, bro.
No bro, you can't need Pebby's gun man. Pebby's gun
Why
and
did
that no man.
I'm me I talk to you, bro. Listen to fam.
Yeah, we are saying a fam.
Listen to fam. I need the gun. See? I give you a thing with you, though.
Yeah, but
No man, not too much butt, bro. When I deal with butt people. You see what I say, no? I need it. I'm saying I need it.
yeah, we are saying fam.
So my gun them, they bring all of my gun them come give me. I'm gonna take them and lock them where bro. I'm done with that badness thing. You gotta have your gun to protect yourself still. Me I choose my part and you have to choose your part. So I'm not gonna let you like a dog. So you gotta have your gun.
You can't kill this nice street man.
Alright, but Pepper's gun I need it obviously. Or yourself my brother. You see me? Better life we are dealing with.
Anything you say that man.
Remember me have millions me have enough people don't know. You are one of the person you know. I'm inheritance coming.
I'm not too like back over there be a man in the
bro, no, don't mention that man. That have nothing to do with you man.
Allow that still.
Fix me and fix things and fix my family.
Alright, that's how.
See me, I'm glad they come give me a link still. You hear that? Don't worry yourself. Yo, I'm going to say to go on jam. I'm so far. Shh. Radical. There, I'm a stepmother.
Nah, I'm there.
Big up yourself.
You good?
Time for me to live good, you know. Cause I want to love you, you know. You see me have a baby I come on the way, I try don't do that about this thing. You see me, you not get me in politics. See your face? What? Me in politician material.
You can't drive?
Of course we can drive.
That's the only thing we can get in there.
Come like you drive you can't try to give me. Anyway, I love you, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
See me, I plan to buy a house still, so I'm going to need it to give me a strength. Not financially, you know. I mean, I want to come money, put away, you see me? I'm get some inheritance, but more buy a house, because I don't need bad business. See?
I'm there for you now, so let me know what you want.
Uptown, more live, you mean? So, the place nice. Uptown, more live.
Alright.
See? Big up yourself, mama.
Yeah, alright.
Love and respect.
Cool.
Cool, man.
Thank you. Thank you, la.
Welcome, buddy.
There one. Thank you. Look good for real, you know.
Thank you so much, but Badindan, you're not my type, and you're my brother's friend.
Yeah, me your brother friend, but we're not family. Something can go on, you know.
Action.
Badindan, you need to behave yourself. No boyfriend thing right now.
Anything you say, Pinky, man. You know, like your flavor, you know. I always know that, yeah.
Honestly, you'd never know what my flavor is.
Wouldn't that Pinky feel like some freaky thing, man, Depan? Man, a bad man, you know.
Boy, I'm looking sister. Didn't think enough to reach her, you know. You see me? You see me? I know you're used to them kind of lifestyle, but me used to it, you see me?
Yeah.
I don't want to see you, not them type of thing. I don't want to hear saying boy kidnapping. You have to be careful when you choose, man. You see me? I know you're a smart girl, you know. The boy there seems Spengshell was a good youth, you know. You see me?
So what changed him though?
Me and the man they eat and drink together. I don't know, him just turn bad, you see me? Being a gangster. I remember saying brother a gangster too. But I never, in my wildest imagination, I think Spengshell would have kidnapped my sister. You see me? But I try to get peace right now. More done everything with me and him. See? Time not hurt you.
Nah, he didn't.
Okay, good. So I know I try to come to a resolution, more peace. See me? But I love you, my sister, I don't want to see you get hurt. Be very careful. See me? Yeah, my sister, I have something for you, you know. See me? Because I really want what I'm to you, repeat itself again. See me? Me done with the gun thing right now, you know. Because I'm going to dash your mind and give you forget. But bad in there and take a gun from the police girl in the Pebbles radio. I should go on a family. So you see right now, fear thing this. But nobody that may use my hand. But boy, I have it. You afraid?
What am I doing with that exactly?
Where did I do the other one? I laugh. Just select one at the head, bust shot on people, yeah?
Yeah.
Be careful, you know. Live on safety about no state. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, thank you.
I love my sister.
Tyson.
God eat my father.
You know, me talk to Spengshell and say you can have a Truss.
I'm say more peace.
Yeah.
That more want to.
Yes, that's what I want.
Anyway, we just start with Pinky, you know. So, I'm here, I think.
Where I say Tyson? What kind of thing you give me daughter?
You mean? Monique, my sister protect herself, you know. Me, I put down my gun, you know. But I don't want nobody kill my sister and kidnap my sister again. You need for one better for your daughter too.
You can't decide for my daughter. You go decide for money and a seed in her belly.
No matter where you are, I say Pinky have my blood too. Because me have your blood. I look out from family. See? Respect for everything we do here. I'm done with the badness and you have to thank God for that.
Tyson, you know I don't feel like myself, but me a wicked a man for you all out, you know. But me just understand myself.
Where am I with my father, man? I hear blood me have, you know. Say if you're wicked, I'm wicked. I'm going to be a mother. Be a mother. You know I'm going to come today?
I don't know, that's why I'm here. You tell me.
I'm going to make a change for you and my baby. I'm myself. Full on my gun, you know. Down with the badness, you see me? Remember I'm telling some grandfather did? I remember I'm going to get in there inheritance only. My tools are 8 million dollars. I buy a house. Me and him, I move from myself, you know. I will start with life brand new. No more about me? Into business. You miss me. Miss Taki, you know. Be gorgeous. Yeah, miss it. Love you, baby. What's that?
It's a girl.
A girl, a boy, baby.
It's a girl.
You can't tell me how a boy, baby. Go down there house, man.
Yes, my niece. Coverage for your baby. No troublesome like him pop.
Auntie, don't go there.
I bless the baby. That ain't no troublesome like him father troublesome.
Auntie, speak positivity over my child.
Monique, me need me ever go up on good terms, you know, because Tyson come talk to me. It's everything cool, man. Tyson a good friend.
Well, that is good because me and Tyson back on good terms as well.
That is good too. Well, that happiness ready. We're tired of the war and the frustration.
Well, Auntie, I just hope Tyson don't go back to his bad man ways because we all know the badness don't pay.
Yeah, true. And I don't know why you have to raise the child by yourself.
I don't even want to think about it.
Rastafari. The last Tyson there must be produced. Good work, Tyson.
Why everybody I put the man for my pitney?
Are just the blessings.
Yo, stop touching man, Peter, man. You cross yourself, man. How are you, man?
James, bad Indian. Leap up. Leap up out of Tyson business. Go on, go get your yacht.
Yo, alright, kind. You always a try to disrespect me, you know. Monique, go on to your baby father. Don't sit to that man.
Alright, I can take care.
Blessings. India. I wonder if you know some even Florida.
Alright, kind. I wonder if you know me put a murder and I seal him.
Rastafari look like a full time if you make a dopey.
Yo, I'm really tired of the rasta here. Monique,
Hey, what?
long time for come back home to the general, you know.
Well, the general had to change his ways.
Monique, the man has to protect himself and protect his family, you know.
Indian, you know damn well Tyson didn't have to do all of this. He had many other options.
Well, I'm glad to back together still, because the general is stressed out and all, mag out.
Well, a long time Tyson's supposed to lose the weight. Him give too much damn trouble.
Well, come home, you see me?
We're not gonna be here for long though.
Well, can I keep secret from me, man?
No secrets, just know that we're not gonna be here.
Must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have links to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, so my thing for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for put in, not even think to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss a step. Me never box from a fight, I better bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up down for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock the door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not talk money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs.